Hey guys, it's Akam here, back with another video on the channel. So as I said in my previous video, I'd be doing different programs twice a week. So this is my first program for the week, and it's a basic calculator. So the problem with this calculator is it can only do two numbers at a time, but still it has different options that you can use. So first, let me run you through it. So what I didn't explain in the previous video is functions. So what functions are, they're basically something. So let me just run you through what a function is, like say the different meanings of the different parts. So the first word stands to define. Then after that you put a space in between and you type in what the name of the function you want to be. So after that, into parentheses, you have right now, if you're not using it with different values, but we are in the calculator, so if in case you aren't, you will not be putting anything in the parentheses. Just keep it there and just put two parentheses and keep them empty. So right now we're saying x and y because we're going to be replacing x and y with different values, so we're keeping them as variables right now. Then after that we need to put a colon and then go on enter and then go to the next line, and then in that line you're going to be writing what the definition or what the function does. So right now the function add xy will return x plus y to us. So right now we have 5 of them for each addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponents. So after that it will print 5 things. So actually 7. So right now we have select operation, we have add, we have subtract, we have multiply, we have division and we have exponents. So that after that it will print choose from 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So that's what the user will have to choose from: 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 1 is addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division, 5 exponents. So after that, now we have variables and input. So right now the variable's name is choice and it is equal to the input of the request choice. So if you guys were thinking what the I and T stands for, it just stands for integer. So if you try and put in a letter like this, it'll have an error. So let's just say multiplication. Then enter first number. So the variable's name is num1. Again, it can only be an integer and the request is for enter first number. Same thing for num2. Then after that, let's just say 6, and right now we have, let's just say 7, but I'm not going to enter it in. So right now we have if, elif and else statements, and as you can see, we are nearing to the end of the calculator. So over here, it's pretty simple, it's not that long, it's easier to learn. So if choice, so if the user's choice is 1, then it would print num1. So it will print the user's input, then it will print a plus sign, then it will print the user's other input for num2, and then it will put an equal to sign, and then then in comes the function which we defined, that if we say add xy, it will return to us x plus y. So right now it's returning num1 and num2. Then we have elif choice equal to 2. If the user's choice is 2, then it will print num1 a minus sign, num2 equal to, and the other function subtract xy. In this case, it will subtract num1 and num2. Then we have the same thing for elif choice equal to 3. Elif choice equal to 4, which is multiplication, division. Then we have elif choice equal to 5, which is exponents. And over here, instead of printing the sign, it will print to the power of instead of the sign, so which makes it easier to understand. Then finally we have the else statement. So as you know, it will only be an integer, and if you type in a letter, it will show an error. But if you type in a number that's above 5, then it will print invalid. So right now let's just click enter and finish this off. As you can see, 6 times 7 equal to 42. Then what if we type in something like 8? Then we do 2 and it will say invalid. So in case So it'll say that whatever you said is not valid, it is invalid. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was the basic calculator. I will copy the whole thing and paste it in the description of the video, so you guys can test it out and see if it works for yourself. So if you had any queries, please leave them in the comment section below. I will have one more program for this week. I may upload it day after, depending on when I have time. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, enjoy, and keep on programming. Bye!